Hi, in this lecture I'm going to show you how we divide in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so to divide in Microsoft Excel we use the forward slash symbol. Now just taking a look at our examples, here we have 4 and here we have 2. Now if we wanted to divide 4 by 2, we would click in a cell and write equals B11 forward slash C11. That would give us 2. Now this symbol can also be used to take a cell and divide it by a value that's not in a cell. So for example, we have 15 here. If we wanted to divide 15 by 5, we would write equals B14 divided by 5, and that would give us 3. Now the division symbol can also be used to divide numbers that are not next to each other in the cells. So for example, if we have 20 here and 10 here, and we wanted to divide 20 by 10, we would write equals B17 divided by C19, and this would give us 2. This division symbol can also be used for values on the go. So in other words, if you've got 2 values that don't belong to a cell, you can still work that out and output the result into a cell. So for example, if we had 100 and we wanted to divide it by 2, we would write in the cell equals 100 divided by 2, and that would give us 50. Okay, so that wraps up this lecture and this section. We have covered how to do basic mathematical operators such as addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. And for this particular lecture, we use the forward slash symbol to perform divisions in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for listening, and thank you for watching.